Hi, hello, how are you? This is your Gopal. Welcome to Shining Star Sitara. Today topic is Kinematics 1D, lecture number 3. In lecture number 2, we discussed average speed, instantaneous speed and uniform speed, non-uniform speed, and you can discuss average velocity application. Some applications to discuss. Okay now. So in this lecture, you can discuss velocity and types of velocity. Velocity symbol is V bar. What is velocity? Displacement covered per unit time is called what? Velocity. Displacement symbol is S bar by time. So can I write velocity is equal to displacement by time. So what is SI of velocity? SI of velocity is, how can you measure displacement is meter? How can you measure time? Seconds. Meter per second. Or you can write meter second minus 1. Both are same only. It is a vector physical quantity. Vector means it has both magnitude as well as direction. So, and you can discuss types of velocity. First one is average velocity. Second one is instantaneous velocity. Third one, uniform velocity. And the fourth one, non-uniform velocity. This non-uniform velocity also called what? Variable velocity. So one by one we can discuss. So velocity is displacement covered per unit time is called what? Velocity. Displacement by time. Displacement by time is called what? Velocity. So we can discuss one by one. First, what is average velocity? First one, average velocity. Average velocity V bar is equal to total displacement covered per total time taken is called what? Average velocity. Total displacement covered per V average is equal to total displacement by total time taken. Is called what? Average velocity. So average velocity you can write delta S bar by delta t. Or you can write S2 bar minus S1 bar by T2 minus T1. So what is direction of average velocity? Direction of average velocity is along the direction of displacement. Same asset, same physical quantity, same. So what are the velocity and the average velocity? Both are same asset only and the same dimensional formula, right? And the same physical quantity. Second one, instantaneous velocity. What is instantaneous velocity? Velocity of a particle at an instant. velocity of a particle at an instant. Velocity of a particle at an instant is called instantaneous velocity. Velocity of a particle at an instant is called what? Instantaneous velocity. So instantaneous velocity means velocity of a particle at an instant, means at a particular instant where time delta t tends to 0. Where delta t tends to 0, that instant is called what? Instantaneous velocity. So here we can write V instantaneous. Velocity instantaneous is equal to, we can write, so limit delta t tends to 0, delta s bar by delta t is equal to ds bar by dt. So instantaneous velocity means, suppose a particle moving along a circular path. Suppose I will consider at this point, at point A, what is the instantaneous velocity? Like a tangent direction. Suppose body moving along a curved path at a particular point, what about instantaneous direction? Like a tangent, right? Instantaneous velocity is equal to velocity of a particle at an instant is called what? Instantaneous velocity. Instantaneous velocity is equal to limit delta t tends to 0, ds bar by dt is equal to delta s bar by dt is equal to ds bar by dt, right? Next, third one, uniform velocity. What is uniform velocity? Velocity of a particle is same at every instant. Velocity of a particle is same at every instant in an interval of time is called uniform velocity. Suppose a body moves in a air. Notice what? Body, in case body moving in a velocity, the path of the particle must be straight line. Right? Suppose what is uniform velocity? Velocity of a particle is same at every instant. Velocity of a particle is same at each and every instant is same. That is called what? Uniform velocity. Otherwise, a body covers equal displacements in equal interval of time. Suppose this displacement, the body covers a time t. So here displacement s bar, same displacement, same time, same displacement, same time, same displacement, same time. A body covers equal displacements in equal interval of time. Is called what? Uniform velocity. A body covers equal displacements in equal interval of time. Is called uniform velocity. Otherwise, velocity of a particle is same at each and every instant. Is also called what? Uniform velocity. Right? So here, very very important. In case body moves in a uniform velocity. So here average velocity is equal to, must be equal to instantaneous velocity. In case body moves in a uniform velocity, average velocity is equal to instantaneous velocity. Fourth one, non-uniform velocity. Also called what? Variable velocity. What is non-uniform velocity? A body covers unequal displacements in equal interval of time. So here displacement is For example, 20 meters, here 30 meters, here 10 meters, here 5 meters, here 2 meters. But same time is same. A body covers unequal displacements in equal interval of time. Is called what? Variable velocity or non-uniform velocity. Otherwise, you can consider like that also. A body covers equal displacement in unequal interval of time. So here body covers 2 seconds, here 3 seconds, here 4 seconds, here 1 second, here 2 seconds, like that. So here same displacements, but time is different. A body covers equal displacements in unequal interval of time, or a body covers equal displacements in unequal interval of time, equal displacements in unequal interval of time, or unequal displacements in equal interval of time. Both are called what? Non-uniform velocity or variable velocity. So next you can see some applications on velocity. What we discuss in average speed, so same you can discuss here. Okay. So here remember that speed is always positive, but velocity may be positive, may be negative, may be zero. Why? Because displacement is distance and displacement. Distance is always positive, but displacement may be positive, negative and zero. So similarly like that, speed is always positive. Here speed and velocity. So speed is always positive, but velocity v bar is may be positive, may be negative and may be zero. So you can see some applications on a average velocity. Application 1. Suppose a particle moving from A to B, suppose a person moving A to B with a velocity is v1 and B to A with a velocity v2. You can find out what is average velocity. So in this already we discussed what is average speed. Average speed is equal to 2v1 v2 by v1 plus v2. So here what about average velocity? So A to B and B to A. So here displacement is equal to 0. Maybe time is there. So what is average velocity formula? Average velocity is equal to total displacement by total time taken. So here displacement by time. So displacement is equal to 0 by time. So average velocity is equal to 0. So where displacement is equal to 0, in that case velocity is equal to 0. Right? So suppose next application, you can see next application. So a body covers half of the distance with a speed, with a velocity is v1. Next half of the distance with a velocity is v2. A body covers first half of the displacement with a speed is v1, with a velocity is v1. Next half of the displacement with a velocity is v2. So already we application, second applications we discuss in average speed. What is average speed in this case? Average speed is equal to 2v1 v2 by v1 plus v2. So average velocity also same here. Average velocity V average is equal to 2v1 v2 by v1 plus v2. So in this case average velocity and average speed both are same. So where displacement is equal to 0, initial point and final point both are coincide, displacement is equal to 0, and that case only average velocity is 0. Remaining case, what are the average speed? Same as average velocity only. Okay, right. Next problem, next one. A boy walks 3 meters in east in 2 seconds and 2 meters in west in 3 seconds. So find first one, average speed and average velocity. Average and average velocity. Average speed and average velocity. So see again here. First you can find out a person moves 3 meters. So 3 meters in 2 seconds. So suppose I will consider A, this is A and this is B. So 3 meters in 2 seconds. 3 meters 2 seconds in each directions. And returns 2 meters. In 3 seconds. 2 meters in 3 seconds. 2 meters in 3 seconds. So you can find out what is average speed and what is average velocity. First you can find out what is average speed. Average speed is equal to what? Total distance covered by total time taken. Total time. So what about total distance? Here A to B is 3 meters. So 3 meters plus B to, I will consider this is point C. B to C is 2 meters. So 2 meters. By total time taken. A to B is 2 seconds plus 3 seconds. So here 5 meters by 5 seconds. So 5 cancel. So 1 meter per second. So what is average speed is 1 meter per second. What about average velocity? Average velocity. Average velocity is equal to total displacement by total time taken. Total displacement by total time taken. Total displacement by total time taken. You can find out the displacement first. So this is the initial point, A is initial point and B is the final point. So this is the displacement. So here to A to B is 3 meters and B to C 2 meters. Mean this is what? 1 meter. So initial point, distance between initial and final point is what? 1 meters. So here displacement is equal to how much? 1 meter. What about time? So A to B is 2 seconds and B to C 3 seconds. So here 5 seconds. So 1 by 5 seconds. 1 by 5 meter per second. So you can write average velocity is equal to 1 by 5. You can write 0.2 meter per second. 0.2 meter per second. Here you can observe average speed, V average speed is greater than or equal to average velocity. So here average speed is greater than average velocity. Average speed is greater than average velocity. Next problem we can discuss. Next one. A person covers first half of the distance with a speed is v, and next half of the distance in half of the time, first half of the time, so speed is v1, and next same time with a speed is v2. So once again listen the problem. A person covers first half of the displacement with a velocity is v bar, and next half of the displacement, first half of the time with a velocity is v1, next half of the time with a velocity is v2. You can find out what is average velocity. Once again listen problem. A person moves first half of the displacement with a velocity is v, and next half of the displacement in first half of the time with a velocity is v1, next half of the time with a velocity is v2. Means your time interval is same. So already we discussed in average speed, when your time interval is same, speeds are different. So what is average speed? So average speed is equal to v1 plus v2 by 2. So here same as, what about average velocity is equal to v1 bar plus v2 bar by 2. Understood or not? So next, what about average velocity? First half of displacement. Here displacements are same, velocities are different. We know formula 2v1 v2 bar by v1 plus v2 bar. So here v1 plus v2 bar means, here v2 bar means what? V average. Here v2 bar means what? V average, velocity average. So substitute in V average here. So we can v1 bar 2v bar. So here v1 is equal to v only, v plus v average plus v plus v average. So v plus 2v bar. What about v average? v1 bar plus v2 bar by 2 by v1 means v bar plus, what about v average? v1 plus v2 by 2. So do the LCM, simplify this one. So 2v bar v1 bar plus v2 bar by 2 by v1 bar plus v2 bar plus 2v bar by 2. So these two cancel. So what about average velocity is equal to 2v bar of v1 plus v2 bar by v1 bar plus v2 bar plus 2v bar. So this is average velocity. So next we can discuss. So today class is completed. So next we can meet next lecture. So all of you bye, take care, have a nice day. So all of you please watch my videos and subscribe, share and like my videos. Okay, don't forget comment my videos. So all of you bye, take care, have a nice day.